We're here in Pakbeng and we're gonna go try to find us some dinner and hopefully not get rained on.
Live life on your own terms. This is Two Doves Nation. Let's fly.
Welcome to our lodging at the Mekong Riverside Lodge here in Pakbeng, Laos. These accommodations are included in our slow boat from Thailand to Luang Prabang, Laos. The river cruise is called Nagi of the Mekong. Let me show you around. When you walk inside, you have a nightstand and a bed. If you'll notice, there is mosquito netting because we're out on the riverside and the mosquitoes can get rather bad. And there is a fan, but no air conditioner. Sadly, no air conditioner, but there's a nice breeze off the river. You also have a little place to hang up some of your clothes over in the corner, and you have a table and chairs to sit at. You also have a mirror, and I don't know if those are stools or maybe some other little tables. I think they can be both. And off to the right in our villa is the bathroom. And you have a toilet with a sink and an open shower. But hey, there's hot water. Let me show you one of the best parts of this villa though. Is the view of the Mekong. And a gorgeous breeze when you open those shutters. This villa also includes a nice balcony with Adirondack chairs and a table. I love it. So we'll see how we sleep with the mosquito netting and fan though. We're gonna explore the city a little bit. There's not a lot going on here. It's not very big. There's only about 4,000 people here, and there's one main road.
That is what we call a papaya tree. We're gonna go see what life in a small city in Laos looks like. There's a smoke. You want smokes? It looks like it's gonna rain, but let's just hope not for our sake. That is a guest house restaurant. Very green. You need ATM, money, cash, check. There's an ATM all the way about a half-mile walk from the pier. Walking back. Swadi.
Okay.
What do you want? This is lychee, or you want this one?
We got some lychee from the fruit lady. It only costs 15,000.
Kip.
Yeah, kip.
We are gonna try this Laos cuisine place out. This is what the place looks like, and we're gonna give it a try.
We are here at MK Restaurant, about to get some food. Katai Lai. That means thank you.
Very much.
Very much.
We were walking by and just kind of looked at a menu outside a restaurant, and the lady seemed really nice, so we were like, we'll go here. There's actually a lot of restaurants along this road because that's what this town is here for, just like a stop between Thailand and Luang Prabang. So a lot of tourists come here to eat. They have a lot of different options and a lot of different like hostels and places to stay and everything. That's pretty much how this town thrives on. But she seemed really nice and speaking English with us really well and everything. So we said we would eat here. Spent about 15,000 kip on this, or I think it's about $1.75 for 1 kilo, which is about 2.2 pounds of lychee. You would be paying about $8 to $10 in the US if you tried to get this at an Asian food market. I'm gonna have one. I love lychee. That's good. Don't eat the seed. That's good though.
Italian soda.
Yes, Italian soda. I got mango Italian soda.
And your boy here got blue Hawaiian. It's pretty good.
Oh, that is so good. We ordered pork lap and pork short ribs with sticky rice. We also ordered fried rice wrapped in egg.
How did it taste?
It's good. It has that one spice or that one herb that I don't really care for, but it's good. And the ribs are slamming.
What do you think, sir?
I think it's good. Out of 10, 8. Well, I haven't tried the egg yet. With the rice, we gonna find out though.
We got some sticky rice, some fried pork. That was good. Some lime. Oh, look at that beauty.
It's alright. I like the egg though.
What'd you think of your meals, guy?
It was pretty good.
It's pretty good.
How much was it?
We spent 145,000 kip, and that is a little less than $17. But we had 2 Italian sodas, a big beer, so it wasn't too bad. But I'm still kind of hungry. We're back at the hotel, and we have some sandwiches. I told y'all I was still hungry. I hope you enjoyed exploring Pakbeng with us. Please stay tuned for part 3, our second day on the boat. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, become a member of the Dove Nation. We would love to hear from you, and give us a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. This is Amanda reminding you to keep soaring to the end.